Carefully remove the appliance from the gift box and all protective packaging. Take out additional literature and promotional material. Remove all accessories from the protective packaging. Carefully take off the drip tray protective sleeve and replace the tray. Within the accessories should be a single filter, double filter, a filter holder, and a scoop. Plug the appliance in at the mains and switch on at the supply. Remove the water tank from the back of the appliance and fill with fresh cold water. Replace firmly and close the lid. Alternatively, you can fill the water tank from a stationary position. Press the on-off button and allow the boiler to heat. After approximately 45 seconds, the green OK light comes on. Attach the empty filter holder to the boiler outlet by connecting and turning fully and securely to the right. Take out the drip tray and place a suitably large cup under the outlets. Press the coffee button and allow hot water to flush through the system. When the green light goes out, press the coffee button to stop delivery. This process should be repeated several times to ensure the boiler circuit is fully primed and ready to deliver coffee drinks. Remove the cup and replace the tray. The coffee maker is now ready for normal use.